In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail layout, a helpful guide for those wanting to customize their Gmail experience for better productivity and aesthetics. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to your Gmail account. Once you're logged into Gmail, look towards the top right corner of your email interface. Here, you'll find a gear-shaped icon. This is the settings icon. Click on it. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with some quick settings. From this drop-down, you want to locate and select See All Settings. This will allow you to access the full range of layout options available in Gmail. Once you've clicked See All Settings, you'll be taken to the main settings page. At the top of this page, notice the tabs. It will default to the General tab. To change the layout, you need to click on the Inbox tab. The Inbox tab offers various settings specific to how your inbox is organized and displayed. Now that you're in the inbox settings, you'll see different options to customize your layout. Gmail provides various options such as default, important first, unread first, starred first, and priority inbox. Each of these comes with its own characteristics and benefits. For instance, if you select important first, your inbox will prioritize emails that Gmail's algorithms identify as important, allowing you to see those messages right away when you open your email. Once you've decided on the preferred layout, click on the radio button next to the layout that suits your needs best. After selecting the layout, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Here, you'll find a Save Changes button. Click this to save your preference, and Gmail will refresh automatically, applying the changes to your layout. If you're not satisfied with your choice, or if you'd like to try another layout, you can return to the Inbox tab in the settings and repeat the process. Remember, these settings can be changed as frequently as you wish, so don't hesitate to experiment and find the one that best suits your workflow. In addition to selecting a layout type, Gmail allows further customization of your inbox style by enabling or disabling tabs for categories like social, promotions, updates, and forums. This can be particularly useful for keeping your personal and promotional emails separated from your main work emails. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily switch up your Gmail layout to match your personal preferences or work style. Your email setup can have a significant impact on your daily productivity, so take a few moments to explore all the settings and make the most out of your Gmail experience. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.